Want to make a volleyball in Blender? Add a cube to the scene, then switch to Edit mode. Subdivide the cube twice. Then go to Mesh and Menu and choose Transform to Sphere. Add 2 loops cut with Ctrl-R. Select these faces. Then press Ctrl-I to invert the selection, press X to delete. Apply a mirror modifier and select all axis. Select the following edges, then bevel them with Ctrl-B. After that, select everything with a then subdivide. Add a material and set its color to orange. Switch to face selection and select these faces. After you finish, apply a new blue material. Do the same thing with these faces and set material color to white. Switch to Material Preview to see if you got your materials right. If everything looks fine, apply the mirror modifier. Switch to Edit mode and transform the object to sphere, then shade smooth the object. In Edit mode, select this face, press Ctrl-G, then select Area. Press E and S to extrude and scale the faces down. And that's it. Don't forget to follow us for more tutorials. See you next time.